Hey, it's Sammy on March 18th. Today was rollover, so we switched from those March contracts to those June contracts. Volume was a little bit split between the two at the beginning here. We took 9 trades. We did have 3 break-evens, so be sure to watch and see how we manage these trades and protect our equity and our sanity in these crazy markets. Notice we only have short time frame information to work with here. That's why we protect these trades. A lot of times you can look, we see we're getting a breakout trade. When we get a breakout trade, that's a little bit higher of a risk trade. We want to make sure we put a stop loss into our profit zone to protect the trade. Of course, this is a break-even trade. You'll notice this red line right here where we're entering the market. Basically, that is our deviation 1 break. We have momentum, sentiment, and 2 volatility breaks that are very powerful to pull us through the deviation. Now we're planning to take our profit down to that pink line, which is daily pivot. As we hit this 61.8 Fibonacci level, we're going to lock in 31 points. So this is the open. We are in this short trade here going down towards this deviation 2 line. You could see what happens when we break through value area low. We hit the pivot. I mean, we had like 30 points. We did set our break even because it's open and volatile, but we did take a break even on this trade. Now we're going to trade the breakout of that opening range right there. We got that boxed in, just basically that's all chop right there. We call that a little kill box. So now we got the data to punch through pivot, punch through this value area low and go short. You can see how much momentum and sentiment it actually takes to pull these markets through these price zones. And we're going to lock in 47 points right here. This pivot here, this pink line has proven to be an incredibly sticky area today. So as you can see, we just moved that stop loss up to plus 2 points. So now if anything happens to this trade is protected. We're working with just that short time frame data. It's in conflict with the high time frame data, so we want to make sure we protect these trades. And you can see we took another break-even trade. That's okay. It's on to the next opportunity. We have our psychology and more importantly, our bank account intact as we look for the next trade. We are coming back through that deviation line and we're heading short. Maybe try and go down to deviation 2, which is that yellow line down there. We've got all the data rolling over in the same direction now. We also leverage that new sell flag algorithm that we've programmed into the Optimizer. We're going to lock our profits with 59 points on this floor trade where we're just getting out at today's low. Now you can see we've got a ton more data and we are going to go through the low of day and actually push a new low of day. So you know we need a lot of data to make price move like this. Got a little assist there from our awesome sell flag algorithm. And we are going to set our take profit here at this 38.2 Fibonacci level. That's plenty of points and we're going to lock in 45 points. This is much later in the day. We just have the geopolitical stuff. We had a Trump-Putin phone call. You can see over to the left, there's a big wick going down to the 23.6. That's over now. We're coming out of this zone. We've got a buy flag here helping us. All the data's rolling over to start going long. Now, as we're testing value area low, we're trying to work our way up through the volume profile. That's why we have our take profits set up there. And we're going to trail our stop and end up with 34 points. You can see now we are getting in the second part of that move to finish this move up. We got the data still intact. We're going long here. We got our buy algorithm signal us in, and we got the data to go long up to that take profit. Trade's protected, and we are bouncing around here before we finally hit that take profit of 45 points.